Nice compact 10-liter geyser fits well in kitchen. Will be good for small bathrooms also. Design is modern and installation was easy though not provided by the company. Connecting pipes are not included. Just one improvement is required. The indicator light is only one blue light which switches off when the heating over. Then there is no way to know if the geyser on without checking the switch. Looks so good and elegant. Not like old models. There was missing drain pipe in the box. Raised issue with customer care and they resolved it within a day by reimbursing the money that I used to bought it. Really kind of them and highly recommend for the customer service specially. As for the heater, water gets heated within 5 minutes and we can use it for like 5 to 6 hours. Fabulous product. Good. Awesome product, excellent build quality. Today on the 20th of December 24 I myself installed the geyser. Looks elegant and working fine without any noise. I would have given 5 stars but 1 star is deducted due to cheap installing material. One of the screw broke while fastening. Couldn't find another one in the market, so had to manage with another set of roll bolt. It is really good choice. I like it. Look-wise it is beautiful and will give rich look to your washroom. Click link in description for more reviews.